Hi, this is Marty Leckletter, Product Manager, IBM Forms Experience Builder. In some cases, you may need a paper trail to follow up on an online transaction. We see this in submitting receipts for expense reports. We see this in other unauthenticated online transactions. This is where barcodes come into play. Well, Feb can do barcodes. I have a simple example here to show you. So in this case, I've got a simple offer. This is intentionally very simple. We'll fill this out. And then when we go to the next page, it's asking me to print this page and sign it and then mail it in as a follow-on to the online collection of data. So you can see the barcode's been generated, and this is based off the record ID. So every Feb record, of course, has a unique ID, and I simply just express that as a barcode. I can print this, I can sign it, I can mail it. And then when somebody in the mailroom receives this, what they can do is scan in the barcode and map up the hard copy with the online data. So a simple lookup example here, I've got all the different forms that have been filled out. They flow into a table. And then whenever I grab one of these barcode numbers, and of course this would be a scanner that would just scan that in off the hard copy and pop it into the field, I can then go look at the hard copy form and look at the online form and see that they match up and then validate the transaction. So how do we do this? Well, it's actually quite simple. We'll go into design mode here. So if I look at the top of the form where the barcode is displayed, you see a text widget, and what I'm doing is I'm echoing a single line field which exists elsewhere in the form, and then I'm tagging that with the LF barcode custom CSS class name. So down below is the single line entry field, and that's hidden, and that's where I actually pull in the record ID. So let's take a look at the CSS. Well, I use an @font face to pull in the barcode font from an external URL and define it, and then I define my custom class name by simply just typing in .lf barcode and then giving it the CSS. So that's really all there is to this. It's through CSS, and barcodes are simply a font, and you can find barcode fonts for all kinds of barcode formats. Thank you.